Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're exploring a powerful all-in-one AI tool called Imagine.Art. If you've ever wanted to create stunning images, videos, and much more just by typing a text prompt, then you're going to love this. Here's the exciting part. Every AI tool you're currently paying for? Imagine.Art does it all in one place with a single subscription. Models like Nano Pro VO3, Runway, Dance Pro, Hilo, all rolled into a single platform. One login, one workflow, one price. This makes it incredibly easy to manage everything without juggling multiple accounts or subscriptions. Once you click the link in the description and create your account, you'll see the main dashboard. The interface is clean and intuitive. At the center is the prompt bar, where you can type anything you want to generate. Below that, there are ready-made templates like announcements and the quick tools section, which includes image generation, video generation, workflow creation, Imagine.U, motion transfer, image studio, and more. You also get access to CGI ads, image editing tools, editorial content, and even AI music generation. On the left sidebar, you'll find all the main categories: Home, Explore, Image Tools, Video Tools, Edit, Clean, Workflow, and more. Everything organized for easy navigation. Now let me talk about the Workflow feature. In the Workflow section, you can create images or videos using just a simple text prompt. When I click on the plus icon, you can see different options like upload, prompt, image, video, audio, and many more features. First, I click on the prompt button. A pop-up appears in the workflow where I can enter my prompt. For example, I want to create a product advertisement, so I write my prompt here. Next, I click on the node section and choose what I want to create. I select image, and a new box appears in the workflow. Here, I can choose different settings like the image model. You can see options such as Seed Dream, Nano Pro, Flux, Seed Dance, and more. Then, I choose the aspect ratio 16:9. If you want, you can also add a seed count. One important thing to remember is that you must connect the nodes together. So, I connect the prompt node to the image node, and then I click on the Run button. Now, the processing starts, and after a short wait, the result is ready. As you can see, our product image is generated according to the prompt. Now, let's create a video. I add a new prompt box and write a prompt for video generation. Then, I create a new video node, connect it with the prompt, and select the model. This time, I choose Seed 1.5 Pro. I select the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, and then click on Generate. The processing starts again. Please wait patiently. Once it's done, you can see that my image is converted into a video based on my prompt. This is how simple it is. Using the Imagine.Art workflow feature, you can easily create high-quality images and videos. This time, I will enter a realistic prompt. For example, I type, "A stylish young woman wearing a modern outfit, standing on an urban street." First, I generate an image using this prompt. Once the image is ready, I enter a new prompt to create a video. Now, I convert this image into a video. As you can see, our image is successfully turned into a video. You can very easily create these kinds of videos using the Imagine.Art workflow feature. The link is available in the description, so make sure to try it out. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.